You want a protein-packed breakfast? Then check out this steak and egg bowl. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
This is another video in our Savoring Wellness series, with the last few videos focusing on breakfast. And today we have a breakfast bowl that is not only savory, but we're providing a healthier version, like using a leaner piece of steak and doing a different preparation of eggs instead of frying. And we're going to be serving it up on top of a potato hash, but not just any potato hash, Boniato Hash. Boniato is a sweet potato that often gets mistaken for yams and is widely popular in the Caribbean as well as Central and South America. Boniatos are good sources of vitamin A and C, potassium, antioxidants, as well as fiber, providing long-lasting energy. You can find boniatos at Hispanic grocers or click the Amazon link in the video description. Okay, we're going to peel and dice our boniato. Okay, now that we have it peeled, we're going to cut it into dice and just be very careful because it is a hard tuber. I'm gonna cut it into like 1-inch pieces. Then we're going to place it in a bowl with water because just like any other potato, it will oxidize and will turn brown. So putting it in a bowl of water will help prevent that. We're going to cut some red and green peppers, pretty much the same size, just a little bit smaller. This is the way I cut it so I have less waste. And the red pepper, same way. Place that in the bowl. Okay, we're going to start our Boniato hash. We're gonna add some olive oil, and then we're going to add our red and green peppers. Now we're going to add the boniato, that sweet potato. I'm going to add some crushed garlic. Okay, so I prepped this the day before, but I wanted to show you the ingredients. These are pickled red onions, fairly simple to make. Here are the ingredients. And basically I put everything in a mason jar, gave it a good shake, and let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And this is going to be a great accompaniment for this breakfast bowl. Okay, now we're going to make a chimichurri sauce that will complement that steak very well. And I'm using a mortar and pestle for this application. First thing we want to do is add some garlic. Now these are pretty big, so I'm going to cut them down a little bit. And to help grind, get that grinding action going, I like to add a little bit of salt. And then I'll start to pound, releasing those oils that are in the garlic. And then once I've crushed them, now I'm going to grind it until we get a nice paste. We're going to be adding a mixture of parsley and cilantro. Now, traditionally, only parsley would go in a chimichurri, but I like including cilantro. We're going to pound it. I'm also going to add some dried oregano, about half a teaspoon. I have here some red jalapeno. You could also use Fresno chilies or Thai bird chilies. I like using a red chili. That way it contrasts with that green. I'm going to give that a good mash. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, but I also like to add some lemon juice. You could also use lime. Then we're gonna add olive oil. And to this mixture, I would add about a quarter cup of olive oil. And then we're just going to season it with some salt, not too much, and some cracked black pepper. And here we have a beautiful chimichurri. Okay, so here I have the steak. I'm using a New York strip, and I seasoned it with this chorizo seasoning from Siete. And I think it's going to give great flavor and great color to the steak. One thing about steak, whatever steak you're preparing, make sure you take it out of the refrigerator at least half an hour to an hour before. Let it come to room temperature so that when it hits the pan, the heat from the pan does not decrease. And that's going to give you a nice, great sear. Let it flip. Okay, now we want to make our baked eggs. You're going to need an oven-proof casserole dish or ramekin. But the first thing you need to do is set your oven temperature to 375 and allow that to preheat. Then all we need to do is add a little bit of oil. Then we're going to take our eggs and just crack it right into that ramekin. Just like that. And we're going to place it in that 375-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs. Okay, now we're ready to plate up. Take that beautiful sweet potato hash, that Boniato hash. Put it on the bottom of your bowl. And we're going to take our steak. Then we're going to take those baked eggs. Just like that. Pickle red onions. Then we have some avocado. Then we're going to take that chimichurri over the steak. I like to do it over the eggs as well. Yeah, over everything. And there you have it. Steak and egg bowl with a Boniato hash. Sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.